Could AI technology actually be the key to saving our planet? This isn't the sci-fi fantasy you might think. Setup context. Welcome to AI News, Innovations Shaping the Future. I'm your host, Jake Silver, and today we're diving into a compelling story of how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of environmental conservation. With climate change and biodiversity loss becoming pressing global issues, scientists and technologists are exploring innovative ways to protect our planet. But who would have guessed AI would play such a crucial role? Main content, our story. Let's meet our key players in this story. First, Dr. Emily Carson, a marine biologist who has dedicated her life to protecting ocean ecosystems. Dr. Carson explains how AI technology helps her team monitor coral reefs more effectively than ever before. By using machine learning algorithms, they quickly analyze vast amounts of underwater footage, identifying healthy versus bleaching corals at a stunning accuracy rate of 95%. This precise identification accelerates conservation efforts exponentially. Next, we have Marcus Lai, a data scientist and AI enthusiast working with wildlife reserves. Marcus leverages AI-powered drones to track endangered species in their natural habitats. These drones cover large areas and use image recognition to identify and count animals, significantly cutting downtime and reducing the risk of human intervention impacts. As a result, we're seeing real-time reporting on species population metrics, allowing immediate action to be taken when numbers drop. But that's not all. The application of AI in environmental conservation extends to combating illegal poaching and logging. Surveillance cameras equipped with AI mechanics now detect human activity and alert authorities in real time. This has empowered ranger enforcement teams to act swiftly, leading to a staggering 74% reduction in illegal activities in some protected areas. The tension between technology and nature conservation often centers on cost. But David Kim, an environmental economist and advocate for sustainable technology, reports that AI solutions, over time, are proving to be cost-effective. He narrates how initial investments in AI technology have paid off, with improved efficiency and conservation measures, ultimately adding value through biodiversity preservation and habitat protection services. One of the emotional high points in this narrative is the revelation of community involvement programs powered by AI. Local communities are now partnering with conservationists, gaining access to AI tools to support local biodiversity projects. This collaborative approach is not only empowering but also sustainable, adding an emotional layer of unity and purpose to the conservation efforts. Resolution/takeaway. So what's the big takeaway here? Beyond technological marvel, AI is providing a lifeline to our planet's ecological treasures. The effective application of AI technology in conservation isn't just theory, it's tangible, it's impactful, and it's happening now. As Dr. Carson so eloquently puts it, AI is reshaping how we understand and interact with our environment. It's a necessary ally in our fight for a sustainable future. So there you have it. Artificial intelligence isn't just about self-driving cars and smart personal assistants. It's playing a pivotal role in protecting our planet. By anticipating threats, optimizing resource use, and engaging communities, AI unlocks a new realm of possibilities in environmental conservation. We stand on the brink of an era where technology and nature harmoniously coexist, working hand in hand to secure a future for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI news.